Summer is in full swing around here, which means our garden is in absolute full swing, which also means we have a lot of squash. If you ever heard that saying that if you teach a man to fish, you'll eat for a day, but if you teach a woman to grow a garden, the whole neighborhood gets zucchini. It's really accurate. So what exactly do you do with that amount of zucchini, squash, or anything else like that? Well, we're going to talk about that today. One of the ways you can preserve things like squash, this is a delicata squash, is freezing it. And so we're going to show you how to do that really quick. Is that the last of the squash? Okay, so this is a delicata squash. It's an heirloom variety. The inside is a bit like a pumpkin and it's got a core of seeds. The flesh is edible, so you can eat it just like you would like a zucchini or something like that. And you're just going to cut it in half like this and then core it. And I just use a spoon and run it up the center just to pull out the seeds. And you can save the seeds from these. We've got a blog post on seed saving on the blog if you want to check that out. I'll post it in the description. There we go. Just scrape it out like that. There we go. Alright, and we're just going to cut strips out of it like this. And then I like to make sure that the end piece where it's been connected to the stem is cut off so no one gets that hard bit. And you can use these in soups or stews, or we've made ravioli with some of this, and it is absolutely delicious, by the way. We're getting ready to try a delicata soup next. We're going to be freezing this, so the best way to freeze stuff like this is to make sure you're spreading it so that the pieces don't touch, so you don't have to worry about trying to break stuff apart once it's frozen. And we're using racks from our dehydrator, but you can use anything, a cookie sheet, anything that's going to hold it flat and fit in your fridge. Okay, so once your trays are full, you just slide them into your freezer, and you're going to want to freeze them until your squash are frozen solid. Remove them from the freezer then, and you can put them in a Ziploc bag or a vacuum sealed bag. That way it'll last a little bit longer, and when you need some, just pull them out. They're going to be perfectly separated and ready to use. I'm sure you can use this for any kind of squash recipe, like a zucchini bread. Just remember to cook it before you use it, because again, these are just raw. And there you have it. You've got frozen squash. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like our videos, subscribe, and we'll see you next time at the cottage.